all the beautiful souls out there. I'm Koil and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, then subscribe if you want to. I make videos where I try new stuff, I share my knowledge, I share things that I recently learned. So it's a lot of fun, kind of good vibes video. So if you want to be a part of this community, then subscribe. And I really hope you all are doing well with your mental and physical health, because both of these are really important and goes hand in hand. So we cannot miss any of these two. So please take care. If you are not doing fine, then please look for a help group. There are a lot of help groups available for whatever you need. And also please communicate with your family members and your close friends. Just see if it works, because doing something is better than doing nothing at all and just torturing yourself. So I hope you get all the strength to overcome whatever problem and pain you're going through. Now let's get to the video. In this video I will be showing you few new products that I bought, and you're like my friends to whom I go running to show my new products whenever I get something from the market. So I am excited to show you those, and along with that I will also try a new makeup look to have some fun. And also along with that I would love to catch up with you guys, because I took a really long why did I say wrong? I meant that I took a really long break, but why and what happened, it was never told. So I don't want to go into details. I'm not comfortable with that, but some part of it I can share. Come, let's catch up over a little makeup. I'm sweating like crazy because the fan is off. It makes weird sounds, and along with that it's summertime, so it's very sad. So I'm taking this Plum Renewed Clarity Night Gel. This looks like this. You can order it because I'm really impressed with the Plum products. They are amazing. So I'm just taking this bit. I don't need much. A little goes a long way. That's the plus point with this product. So I'm just going to like this. I'm looking this way because I have my mirror over here. So another tip for the beginners is that always wait after each application. No matter what you apply, just wait for some time, especially the base part like toner, moisturizer, then foundation, your primer. All of that things need to settle down on your face, otherwise it will be a little bit of mess. So the first thing we are going to do is apply these correctors. The orange one is for the dark areas. After that I will be using this green corrector. It is for all the scars that you have from pimple, or if you have a little bump like a pimple that have not matured. So now I will blend it with this blender, but before that I will wet it, because a wet blender works better. And the credit goes to Devarpita for suggesting me this. I guess I will have to credit her for my whole life. My dark circles are intense, like I look like a raccoon. ये कभी कभी वैसा भी दिखता है, वो जो पहले चश्मा नहीं आता था जिसमें ऐसा छोटा सा लेंस होता था और वो पूरा ब्लैक होता था, पतला सा अजीब सा लगता था. मेरी आंखें ठीक वैसी ही लगती है मुझे. I'm struggling being an adult. I don't want to be an adult. and I never really got the chance to be an adult, because there was always someone who was being a mother to me, whether it was at home or it was away from home in hostel. I was very much pampered. So I believe that somewhere means that I was loved a lot. Now I feel better. You know, I thought I was saved because I have this haircut, but I'm not. It's still very annoying to have hair over here, especially when you're trying to like work. Now I'm going to look very weird, but that's okay. It's not coming in my face and I'm comfortable, so it's okay. So for foundation, I have here is my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, which is in the shade 340 Cappuccino. I love the Maybelline products. Like, they suit my face, they suit my complexion, which is the most important thing. I have been experiencing hormonal depression and stress. I call it hormonal depression because the main reason for it is my hormonal disbalance. I have PCOS, so things kind of is hard for me. April was 2 days away, I think, when a very bad and unfortunate event happened in a distant family, and I have this habit of feeling too much. So rather than helping the other person in their sad time, I got involved, like mentally, physically, emotionally into it, and that was the worst that I did to myself. It impacted me for a very long time. I was almost like in a Gayab mode for a whole month. So that is how the break started. Right now I feel like a character from the Marvel universe, like a distant sister of Gamora. Whatever. So as I was saying, I got too much into it, but I still had hopes. Everybody was hopeful that it would be all right in some time, and everything will be fine, like within 2 weeks we all will be fine. But that did not happen, and in few weeks even much more terrible thing happened, which broke everyone. Like, everyone was heartbroken. So now it was even more tough to get over from. So before I get to the rest of this story, this is the product that I wanted to introduce you with, and this is Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Multi-Use Corrector, and trust me, this works really wonderfully. First, when I applied it, I thought it was much lighter than my skin tone, and it felt very weird and not like my own skin. But after some time, when it really settled on my skin and blended with the foundation, I thought it was really good. I mean, it wasn't that bad. Maybe I'm not used to put so much product on my face, and when you are that kind of person, you really want to look extravagant, but also don't want to look like it's not your skin. So that insecurity sometimes stops you from trying new stuff, and this is one of them. So I'm just going to show you how it works. You will have to rotate it like this, and the product will come up on the sponge. And this is in the shade 144 Caramel. Now coming to the story, after that happened, I slowly got over it, and doing well with my life, and still wasn't ready to make a video. butt was like all right enough to put status, talk with people, and I was laughing and smiling. So it wasn't very dull for me at that phase, and I got so energetic that I decided I will redo my room to, light up my mood and be happy, just be happy and just move on from whatever happened. And for that I started doing it, and I got so energetic that I forgot that I have some physical limitations, and especially because I have some issues with my body, my spine, so I shouldn't have done it. I was awake whole night. I cleaned my whole room, like it was completely deep cleaning. I'm not even exaggerating. I have really washed all the corners of my room from top to the bottom. I'm supposed to work but with adequate rest in between, which I did not take, and I continuously worked whole night, carried heavy weights, and as a result it collapsed. No one else to blame, just me. Well, how did the collapse actually affect me? Well, it did not only affect me physically but also mentally. I started to feel like very weak. I got really mentally tired of my own self, about how irresponsible I am, how weak I am compared to all the youth of the same age. The comparison came naturally in my mind. I mean, 20s are said to be the age when work for their careers, they do hard work, and they take all the responsibilities of their families. And here I am, only 23 or 24, but I'm not able to do any of that. Instead, I feel like a burden who have to be taken care of. It was really harsh to think of all that, and unfortunately that did not stop over there. There's more to it. So now the baking will take some time, so I will give it that time, and till then let's talk. So the collapse did not really end over there. I was having cold and cough, I had fever, I had diarrhea, and all these symptoms felt like I was COVID positive, but I wasn't panicking. None of my family members were panicking, like they were concerned. After that also I had my periods after 2 months. Yes, after 2 months, and it wasn't natural. I had to take pills for it, and that is even more depressing when you have to take so much medicine just to make your body function naturally. You have to take pills, and that does not sound very natural to me. So that also made me feel so much worse. And all of these physical problems led to my mental fatigue. It was the worst. After towards the end of April, I started getting a little better. I was laughing more than before. I was enjoying. I was trying new things. I was talking to my family. I wasn't pissed off. My mood were really easygoing. But that phase had some consequences, and it was my mental fatigue. Physically I was okay, but my mental fatigue took over me, and I wasn't able to do anything at all. That I wouldn't get up from my bed. I was just scrolling through my phone the whole time. I wanted to work, but I wasn't able to. So now that I'm done with this base, I will move on to the eyeshadow now. Palette that I'm going to use is NK Makeup, and the collection is Mocha Mix. They have 2 or 3 more collections. You can check it out. I will provide you the links from where you can get it. So the first color that I'm going to use is this. So the next color that I'm going to use is this brown. You have seen me apply it a lot of time. So before applying, I think I will use this because the powder is getting everywhere. So the next color that I'm going for is this one. I haven't much experimented with this one, so it would be quite interesting to see how it turns out. Again. I'm going to use this for the inner corners white so that it becomes really light. So that it looks smooth. And for my lower eyes, I'm going to take the brown color once again. So I am somewhat done with my kajal, and now I will do the rest of it. I want to introduce you all to the next product, that is this eyelash curler from Gub. I was in Odisha a few months ago, and whenever you are away from home, away from your parents, you convince yourself to buy whatever stupid stuff you come across, and that is what happened with me. But however, we are going to give this a try. I haven't used it much, so as of now I have already used mascara, and the curler did not do much to my eyelash. But the honest review is, for my eyelashes it did not work. I have seen many videos where the eyelash curler actually works like wonder, but for me it did not, or maybe my eyelashes are too light. Now it looks much better, though the eyeshadow is still visible in these parts, but I cannot really do more than this right now. Well, for the lipstick, I think today I will go for red. This is from Swiss Beauty Lip Stain Matte Russian Red. The number is 1, and this is a really beautiful color, but I don't know if it will suit the whole look or not. I'm learning. I'm done with the lipstick. It's matte and it's really beautiful color. I love it. So this is the final look, and I combed my hair this way because I felt like it looks much better, and I think it does not look that bad with this lipstick. I mean, I know it is too dark, but we can actually lighten it with some powder. That is what I do for making my lipsticks matte, and that is what I'm going to do over here. It will suit the mute eyeshadow. It will look as mute as the eyeshadow. So this is how it looks now. I don't know why it feels like it changed the color. It was red, but now it looks very pinkish and purplish. However, I like this look. If I had worn a stud or something with it, then it would have looked even more beautiful and flaunting. So guys, this is the final look, and I am fully satisfied. I like how this eyeshadow is complementing the lip color, and along with that I had this royal pink top which I think perfectly goes with this look, and so I'm very happy. Do let me know in the comment section if you also feel the same way, if you also think the eyeshadow turned out really well or not. Though the shading that I wanted to achieve did not really happen like that, maybe because I am not a pro and I have a long way to learn. So I will keep doing that, and until then, enjoy my amateur looks. And also I want to say this, that in this video, while catching up, I only told you the negative parts of my life, and I did not do it to make you feel discouraged, of course not, but because I wanted to like really be relatable to you all. And I know a lot of people are going through this, and so am I. So I just want to build a very positive and real people's community. That's my purpose, and I know many of my viewers are really nice and positive people from whom I get a lot of encouragement, and I'm really thankful for that. So keep doing that, and I hope more such people will join us, and we all will be help to each other in some or the other ways. So take care, bye.